He waiwai nui ka lokahi. Unity is a precious possession.
We are in Heʻeia State Park. It was also part of Heʻeia NEARS, which is the National Estuarine Research Reserve. Today it looks like they're doing a stream transect survey, so it's basic data gathering, understanding how to collect data, understanding stream flow. And as the rains change between rainy and dry seasons, students can understand that, what happens upland affects what happens in the ocean.
It's important information because we can correlate that with our sediment samples in the stream and understanding what's going on with the nutrients and the oxygen levels are related to the flow rate as well as the salinity as well as the temperature.
23.3.
This fish pond was actually completely covered in mangrove at one point in time, so there's been a big effort to remove the mangrove and restore the fish pond.
You guys want to send this thing?
Yes.
So what is our purpose of being here?
Water quality.
So we're looking at water quality, water quantity, looking at the impact of the mangrove.
The B-WET goal is part of the meaningful watershed education experiences to get students out of the classroom doing meaningful research.
We all kind of work together to create a cradle that helps kids from their curiosity to career pipeline. We're collecting data addressing the impact of the mangrove removal at the mouth of the Heʻeia stream. And how does the mangrove removal impact the nearshore reef? And they are using this water quality for their own projects.
Mine is coral surveying and diseases. So like water quality could affect corals and I'm trying to make a diver's guide out of that.
They have a better respect for the environment and understand their place and their impact in that environment.
And just seeing corals die is a pretty sad thing, so I want to fix that problem.
Part of the value of coming to a place like this is that the students gain dual fluency, which is understanding both Western scientific methods, but also being grounded in the values of their kupuna. And so when you come to a place like this, where there's restoration of an ancient 800-year-old fish pond and world-class science going on in the same place, it sort of helps to instill that dual fluency in the students.